is up, everyone? Kyle here. Little cars and coffee action this morning. A little different video. Just gonna go to cars and coffee. Got the car cleaned up. Wheels are stupid dirty. Obviously, you know these Brim Bros just make so much dust. So just gonna get the wheels cleaned up. Other than that, car looks pretty good. Maybe the window, a few bugs, things like that. Been driving the car, putting some miles on it, doing some testing, things like that. Love the way it drives. We'll be getting into a driving video. I'll probably make it tomorrow. So it'll be out later this week, just a driving video of how the car drives now. Just one issue with the car. I'll flip the camera around. Need a little bit more camber on this front wheel. Taking turns, you can see I'm just barely scuffing the outside of the tire there. So it just needs a little bit more camber. That's the only tire, the other one's good, but that side is just rubbing just a little bit. Yeah, going to get this cleaned up. Cars and Coffee today is at the Lambo dealership in St. Louis. There's gonna be a lot of cool things to look at. Obviously, if you're, domestic fan, this would probably be the coolest thing there. But they'll be, obviously, inside the Lambo dealership. It's a Bugatti dealership on the other side. Every once in a while, they have a Bugatti there. So we'll just see what they have, get this thing cleaned up, and then head out that way. Other one has to sell. What do you guys think? Wife's car? What do you think? Next car?
I've just run into so many times where people just. That's the one. That's the real reason why.
So you can hear the sound of the car a little bit. It likes to pop a lot more than what it used to. That's okay. It's just all the experience. You can see the orange and then there. So driving impressions coming soon. Quick little video for Cars and Coffee. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm excited for the next video. I'm sure you guys will too, where we actually get in the car, multiple cameras, listening to the sound of this thing, everything. You'll see how it drives on day to day. Take some turns with it. Until then, see y'all soon.